So Supermicro's hot streak just hit a speed bump. So is this a sign of bigger problems? Shares plunge over 13% after missing both top and bottom line expectations for the fourth quarter. The company also issued weaker than expected guidance. So will Supermicro's next quarter show a rebound? Or is this the start of a longer slowdown? Now this is the monthly chart. This was the ChatGPT era back in 2024, 2023. You had this rally, base rally, base rally. So you had two monthly buy levels on top of each other. And so rightfully so, this was a level around that $30 level where the buyers were willing to get long. Why? Price was selling at a discount relative to a premium when prices hit all-time highs near that $120 level. Scroll down to the weekly chart. Prices are now off 20+% as price moves lower during the trading volume on Wednesday. Now, why did price stop here and move lower? If you look closely, you have this rally, a basing candle, and then the drop. So that is what we call weekly sell levels. Let's mark that in at, we'll say $62. And you have this big level down below. We'll call that monthly buyers at $25. Now, one thing to note, yes, price did penetrate the zone on the weekly chart and they closed below. But based on this price action here, this tells you that the smart money is willing to defend this level and accumulate shares again, because price did make it as high as $120, which is the distribution level. All right, let's go down to the daily chart. Question is, how low will it go? Well, this is what I call quicksand. You have some sideways price action where buyers and sellers were evenly distributed, and then you had the breakout in which the buyers took over to take price all the way up to $63 before reversing. Now you do have support near $40. That's the where the 200-day moving average in yellow sits. That should serve as dynamic support. So look for price to at least stall. Again, this is quicksand. If I just extrapolate that over, look for price to at least stall. Look for price to potentially reverse at around that $40 level. Why? Well, that's where, again, we have the 200-day moving average, which should slowly continue to move sideways with an upward bias. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is this the buying opportunity or a bigger warning sign? Are you waiting for lower prices before getting long?